If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter follow, limit exceeded error, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you the quickest way to fix it. This is a common issue when you try to follow too many accounts too fast. And the good news is that it's usually temporary. So, if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting videos like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, the simplest fix is to close the app or tab and wait. In many cases, X places a temporary follow limit on your account, and that limit usually clears after a short cooling off period. So, if you've hit the error, stop trying to follow more accounts right away, close X on your phone, or close the browser tab on your computer, and then leave it alone for about 1 to 3 hours. That waiting period is often enough for the restriction to reset on its own. Next, it's important to understand that X has account limits in place. You cannot follow more than 5,000 accounts on the platform. So if your account is already near that number, or if you've been following a lot of people in a short amount of time, X may block additional follow actions. In that case, you may need to unfollow some inactive accounts or simply wait before trying again. This is not always a bug. Sometimes it's just the platform enforcing its rules to protect accounts from spam-like behavior. Another thing you should check is your VPN. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try again. Sometimes X flags unusual login activity or repeated IP changes, and that can contribute to follow errors. Switching off the VPN can help your account appear more stable and may remove the issue faster. After turning it off, refresh X, sign in again if needed, and then test whether you can follow accounts normally. If the error still appears after waiting, checking your follow count, and disabling the VPN, give it a little more time before trying again. The key is not to keep spamming the follow button, because that can make the limit last longer. A short break, a stable connection, and normal usage usually solve it. So to recap, close the app or tab and wait 1 to 3 hours. Remember that you cannot follow more than 5,000 accounts, and turn off the VPN if you're using one. Those 3 steps fix most x.com and Twitter follow limit exceeded errors. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.